amazing platform actually. My name is Vicky, I'm a diamond, and I'm a product of the product. That's I claim because I know that the product of the Essence really works on my body. So today, this afternoon, we're having a business opportunity meeting and sharing some products that why I'm here in DXN since 2010. I'm in DXN since 2010 and in just 3 months I become diamond. Some people will question me why you are still diamond. Of course, being a diamond is a very big opportunity already. Even you are a first, the moment you become a member of the DXN, it's a huge opportunity already, right?
Yes.
Because this DXN platform is a huge and it's international and it's infinity. That's what DXN is. No clapping from that. You have to clap.
Yeah.
Because I can see from here all leaders, okay? So whatever I speak today, that you know is it right, you have to clap louder. Is it okay?
Yes.
So that it makes alive for us, what for we are here, okay? So now, in the DXN, this logo, our slogan is honesty, integrity, and trustworthiness. When you see DXN itself, you can see that it is honesty, integrity. Why I'm here until today, many company that in Dubai invited me to join with them. But when I attended their presentation, their slogan is different. Only DXN, since 2010 until today, I'm very loyal to DXN because any company that invites me is not the same with DXN. So DXN really is number one to my heart because of the product itself. Okay, so our logo, those people who doesn't know what the logo means, the red one is the rising sun, positive thinking. That's why we all greet good morning all the time. Because when you wake up in the morning, it is really positive. Even you are in the bad mood, but when you go out, somebody will tell you good morning. When you see the sun rise, this is really a good morning. It's really another life, another time to face. So that's why it is good morning because of the rising sun and positive thinking. And the green one is vitality. We, as a member of DXN or as a user of DXN, is the growth of DXN. We, as a user of the product. So, when the DXN company itself is really amazing. Why? It's free registration. Good for you. The new people now, it's really free. But before there is a package to be registered. In my time, there is a package. But then, since the product is very amazing to me, the effect, imagine I will show you later that I was 230 kg, and that's not a joke. Myself, I'm not insisting to people to believe me, but in myself, the DXN journey of mine is really for my health. Really, my health is amazing effects. So the blue one is water the company as a business growth. So the same thing, the products and the people who is using the products are the one who's the company as a business of growth. So and the best one, if you are in the DXN, you are one of the owner of DXN company, correct?
Yes.
Yes. And it is international, correct?
Yes.
And we are present in more than 200 countries all over the world.
Yes.
That you have to clap. You know why people doesn't come in DXN? Very rare, especially Filipinos, because they want you. For example, me, I invited one Filipino girl. I'm in DXN, blah blah. They will judge you physically. They won't even want to know what is really in DXN. As a person who invite, you should not judge the person. You should go to the opportunity. You should attend the meeting to know what this DXN is all about. Because if you see that DXN is 33 years in the business, meaning the DXN company and the product itself is very good, right?
Yes.
Because the company will close if the product is not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, system is very, very good. It's very, very good. Yeah, that's why. Of course, our very own Datuk Dr. Lim Sojin, our founder, owner, solely owner, are very. Why is become Datuk? Because Malaysian government offered or award as a Datuk because he give Malaysian government a huge of impact for the business of DXN, right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, so he transformed lives of millions around the world, not only in Malaysia, all over the world. So we are very lucky that we are belong to this platform. Okay? Only thing like some people will ask me, I meet so many DXNers in Satwa, other nationality, and oh madam, you're DXN, you live here. But they're thinking like if you are DXNer, you'll live in Burj Khalifa. Of course no, yeah? Because it's up to us how we manage our system. How we are the owner of the company, we are the owner of time, how you facilitate, how you use the platform very well, right?
Yes.
Because even now you join today, if you really want to be a diamond tomorrow, you can do, right?
Yes.
So it's up to you, it's in your hand. The opportunity of being DXNers, it's really in your hand. And it's really to people who you can invite. Because you cannot invite eagle if you are not an eagle. Correct?
Correct. Yes.
Yes. Of course. Who is that girl? So DXN number 1, and we are 22 years in Middle East. Of course, it's really amazing. Just imagine, 2010 I was here, and I was 230 kg. And our Filipino doctor, Sir Angat, he's a nurse. He went home already, and and Dr. Pabian is still here. But those Filipino, we are full of Filipino here in the first 2010. Full of Filipino. The Filipino is amazing this is why. But after pandemic they went home and so we are now few. But online, they buying her, they are not attending a training. That's how it is. So imagine now 18 but now 19 million members. That's how it goes. Why they are so DXN Malaysia, of course, we all know that 33 years. Of course, during the time I was, my transformation since 2010, December, become from 230 kg to 62. That's 62 now and 72. But it was really amazing because I was qualified to visit our factory in Malaysia. So it's become more powerful to me. It's become boast to me because I see in my own eyes how the product made, how the product manufactured, how the product, everything I saw. And that's why it's really challenging when someone invite me to other company. When I ask them something, they cannot answer me directly because they have no integrity and they don't have honesty. I'm sorry to say that, but that's our DXN is have all.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's it. This for new one here that you just know yet. This is just a display, but the real one you cannot get into without the PPA. It's very, very conscious for that. This one is just for pictorial for those who qualified to visit the farm. So that time, actually there's water coming on it because the thing cultivation is always wet. So there's water that is showering on us. See? Oh. So this is factory of Spirulina in Malaysia. So that is no editing, that is real. It's really amazing when I step on. So those Filipino leaders here, please be qualified to visit the farm in Malaysia, especially now because the Cyberville is on. When I was there, the Cyberville hotels and everything is actually done. It's still making. So that's why now it's beautiful. This is this area here is
Noni juice.
nursery of noni juice. I know apatot this one. That is area is no baby. When there's an area separately for this, and if you can see those green thing there, that is Ganoderma cultivation. So I visited all of their lipstick, how to do. It's really amazing. That's why my hearts belong to Dixon only.
Yes.
And of course, that's this from India, the factory of India, Indonesia, Mexico, and now we have in Egypt, right?
Yes.
We open now in Egypt, so congratulations. And we can spread my downlines. I have 3 downlines Egyptian. When I saw that video in Facebook of Dixon, I shared to them, oh, wala, inshallah, they will do it because they are back to Egypt. I have so many Arabic downlines. They live after pandemic that they have, this income in online, this stuff. But I saw them, they become big and big, like obesity. So I just concerned for them health. In approaching to share the Dixon product, we should not approach like we need money from them. No, they need us for products because of health, right?
Yes.
Because even how much millionaire you are, if your health is not good, and that money will not help you. Prevention is always better than curing. That's the tagline of Dixon. Health, wealth, and
Happiness.
yes. I want your loud and energy because our product is energy, right?
Yes.
Again, Dixon is prevention always better than cure. That's
Yes.
you have to know. And of course, when you eat preservative foods like sausages, canned goods, and all this stuff, no, there's a lot of preservative. I have allergy of those. But if you eat vegetables, you become different. Yeah? For me now, I'm 54. I'm coming 55. But since 2010, I joined Dixon, I never get sick, like, when you go to hospital. No. Of course, I get cough, cold, it's normal because we are not robot. But the thing is, I drink mushroom powder, alas. Yeah, that's my very thankful to God that we have. See this one, guys. I lost the image that I'm standing for that one. That the first day I used the Dixon, I was 230 kg. Just 3 months straight, massive. Because during that time, 2010, I was diabetes. I have high blood. I have asthma. I have uric acid very high. That time, 2010. When I attended here, Dr. Fabian explained about the disease, why you become disease and all this stuff. First time, 2010 December, I remember that. And then in my mind, my maintenance for my disease during that time is 2,800 and my salary is 3,500. Just imagine how much the money I left for. If I will not buy the maintenance from the doctor, I will die, right? It calls maintenance because you cannot live without it, right?
Yes.
But during that time, Dr. Fabian explained that this and that, it will make you disease-free. Immediately after I attended the seminar in that room, pantry now is a Filipino room. And sometimes we are here because we have so many. And then, after the session, I bought Morenci juice, mycovigi, spirulina, mushroom powder, cordyceps, thiamine. And you can see in TikTok, if you follow, I really take those things because I'm tired for my insulin. I have 30 units insulin every now and then during the time. Now I am free of everything. And that's why I think that I'm a product of Dixon. Who knows? They don't mind. Only me I know. Right? So why should I lie? What I get by lying, right? So how is it? Of course, there's a process and there is a manifestation during the taking of the product. You have to, that's why we eagerly invite those people who sell the products. Although our product is not medicine. It's not a medicine. It is a superfood of our cells. If our cells is healthy, our body is
Healthy.
yes, of course. This product has a points value, right?
Yes.
So this one is 35 points, correct?
Yes.
Of course, you have to know. And this one is 70
70.
points. And this one 70
70.
points. Mushroom powder 70
70.
points. This one is
27.
27?
I think.
37.
27. I think.
Yeah, and this one is the same.
Yeah.
So
True.
guys, while this one, many people, Ate, eto, if you are diamonds, you are free. Of course you are free. Imagine, you have already 35 or 37% of cash bonus if you are qualified diamond. If you are not qualified diamond, 31. So still much money discount, correct?
Yes.
It is not necessary or literal that you go to the counter ask for free. No. What is that means? Free of products. When you get your cash back, you will earn, right?
Yes.
So it's exchange, correct? So that's we have to know to give those our downlines or our new members to boost their mind how they earn, because they're just using the product and they get bored why they don't get rich, because they don't understand how they earn really a good money in the XN. Correct?
Yes.
So as you can see, process, within 3 months I become 62. And Evelyn is still here, Jane is still here, just see me before how I big, right?
Yeah.
So that's how integrity and honesty takes and is all about. So now even I go a little bit vague, but I'm free of disease.
Wow.
So many people also, Ate Vicky, I use spirulina, I use, thank you. Many Filipinos, especially, they have a lot of questions that they say, like, oh, Ate Vicky, I used that one. It's been a long time. It never removed my disease. And I ask, what product you use? How you use? Of course, they use on. It's expensive. I drink only twice one. Of course, they will not. Because if your disease is already there, it's really like thick already, like how you wash the floor. If the floor is very dirty, you have a lot of water, you have a lot of effort to brush it, right?
Yes.
The same thing inside our immune system. We cannot drink splash, we cannot drink Clorox. We have to drink slowly but surely, meaning you have to massing, because this product will not overdo, because it's a superfood. You can drink all of this 100 grams if you can. There's no overdose. Only you will think money. Okay, mind you, money. How much your expenses for your maintenance today? Maintenance, it will damage another part of our body, right?
Yes.
It will give another disease. But if you drink this one, for me, during the time when I was first user, they said to me, do this only slowly, so that your body will not be shocked. But for me, when I know that this is a food of cells, linalaklak ko. You know linalaklak? I drink in 3 days only of this. So the massive I drink, the massive I become this. And good news, if you are fat, then there is a saggy thing. But during that time, I never have a saggy. I become very young, glowing, and all those. I'm not falling up with on my chair, but it's really, for me, it's really amazing. And everyone is amazed. During that time, I have so many high blood friends that joined to me. That's why I become diamond in just 3 months. Because of that testimony. Because this is storytelling. If you tell to your friend that this can do this, can do that, but if it is not showing to yourself, they will not believe, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to be a product of your own products. Because when you are the product of the product, even you are not attending any seminars or like this, you can story, because you have to focus what the product need to you. Like for me, in my case, when I drink all of this, really, I drink this one, I just drink right, no other. I drink this one, and become like small, and what happened to me? I vomited. The manifestation of detoxification is Very amazing. Now, if you don't understand that it will happen to you, you will get upset to the person who invited you, right?
True.
But me, I explained to them before they use. I explained this and this will happen to you. The moment it happens, they call me, Ate Vicky, it happens to me like this. Oh yes, congratulations. Why congratulations? It is manifesting. It is detoxification your body. And now, the leaf product, they don't use anymore because they are free of disease. They don't know that any time zone, while they are eating still the same food, they are not aware that they are coming back to them. Then they will call me, Ate Vicky, you know, I have again high blood. Ate Vicky, you know, I have again sugar level up. Okay, back to the products. Then they are slowly doing the product. Product is important to know how, you know, so that's why you become prettier than me. Ha! Walang palakpak dyan. Nanghingi na pala. So that's how it's happening. So of course, many people will ask that the certification of the DXN, I will not explain anymore because it's very common sense that the DXN product cannot enter this country without all their certification, right?
Yes.
So we are confident enough. When we see 100% pure, it is 100% pure, patented. That we have to know that our product is 100% pure, patented.
Yeah.
And we are book of record for super excellent brand of all the world. This and only guys, ganun. So, what is the benefits and privileges being DXNers? Of course, you have lifetime global membership. So people say to me, Ate Vicky, I forgot my number. DXN number. I cannot go back to his office. I cannot buy anymore because I forgot the number. That is less of education from the upline or for the person who invited. Because during invitation, you have to explain what is the membership benefits, right?
Yes.
So you have to explain that this number is a lifetime, infinity. Mamatay naman siya, this number is still alive, generation to generation to generation, right?
Yeah.
That's you have to first explain to the person you invited here to join in DXN. That you have to explain. Then, if in case they lost those numbers, they can still have their email address, right? That's why that email address that they have to put in the system, it should be all forever email address. You can change the password, but the email address you have to maintain. That you have to explain to the person you invited here to join. Because I encounter a lot those questions to me. I help a lot also, even at my downline, because we are one, right? We are
Yes.
one. If I become a qualified diamond, I have 2% profit sharing every month. Is it good or very, very good?
Very, very good.
Yes. Are you going to qualify Star Diamonds?
Yes.
I can hear you guys. Are you going to be a qualified Star Diamond?
Yes.
Yes, you should have an energy. Diamond is full of energy.
True.
Yes, because you should lead your people, right? My people is back home in the Philippines, but I'm still bugging them through messenger and everything. But you know, you cannot force people if they don't want, right? So what you gotta do, go ahead. Again, invite again. Neglect, invite, never think giving up. I never think giving up. That's why as of now, I'm still Star Diamond. I don't mind, but I'm still inviting many people to join with me. But you know, you cannot force. We are not forcing anyone because our company is very good company, right?
Yes.
We don't lose opportunity. They will lose the opportunity by saying no to us. So imagine lifetime international discount 15 to 30%. Technology service and personal website, free personal development like this today. You are with me. So whatever good trainings I'm implementing here, you can follow. Then you can follow, you can relate to your downlines, right?
Yes.
What you learn, you pick up. Attend many people who are conducting training. You will not pay me. I'm not asking payment from every one of us here, right? This is all free. But what you learn and what you like to pick up to apply to your team, you can do that, correct?
Yes.
Yes, so health and financial freedom education, of course the other. So free travel that I experienced, money extra income unlimited, inheritance income. Imagine, no? You have no capital for this, only for your personal, yeah? That's not capital because anyway, you're still buying outside, right? So when you buy in DXN, you can you can build your team and you can have lifetime benefits. Inheritance you can pass, or profit sharing. So this is how very easy. For me, it's very easy, but people, you tend to have close-minded. Even how you explain that, you just, sorry people, you just accumulate for 1 month or more. You know, there's no force. If you want, you become diamond today, you can diamond today. Right?
Yes.
The DXN system is very, very good, if you agree. Because me, during that time, I start diamond in 1 day. I start agent in 1 day. I start diamond in 2nd month. I start ruby in 2nd month. I become star diamond in 3rd month during the time I had. Because our group was very strong during the time, very eager. You know, but there's some circumstances that you cannot hold on. But you know, yourself, you have to decide if you have to go on which way you want to go, the right way or the wrong way. Me, I decided to stay in DXN for life because I know the product changed my life. I'm still here until today because of the amazing DXN product.
Yes.
So now you see that one. If this one is 100 points, but mind you guys, the 100 points, for example, you will take the spirulina 70 points, right? Then you will take the mushroom powder 70, 140. The 6% is not 6%. Have you noticed that? Because it depends the sales value of the products. You have to know that one. Yeah? So the sales value of spirulina and mushroom powder is different. Take note, if you try to buy spirulina, moringa juice and mushroom powder, you notice that your cashback, if you are first time 100 points, the cashback is not 6%. It's more because of the sales value. That is different business presentation. And I will tackle that later on. Are you willing to listen to that?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to know how to be diamond one day, let me know. I will teach you. Of course, DXN companies like a pipelines of the money. Why? We can recruit anywhere of the world. We can invite, we can share anywhere in the world. So that pipes is, for example, you have from Egypt, you have from Sudan, you have from Africa, wherever DXN is, we can have. That pipe is different dollars, right? And they will just stop over in DXN. Karama for your bonus. Wala bang palakpak dyan? It is amazing. It's very, very amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
So I want to hear from you guys because you are here to spend time that you have to we are all the leaders, right?
Yes.
So so you can work at home, even you are busy. Like me, you know, when I walked to Satwa in the grocery store, I found DXN coffee. And I scolded the DXN. And you have to know the rules about DXN. You have to know the rules. What is donut and what is to do. And that is not allowed to display in grocery store. So when I saw that one, I made picture and I said to the owner, are you the owner of this shop? Peter, you take off that because that's not allowed. Oh. Then tomorrow when I come back, there's no more display. This scared me. This scared because I will not allow those, because some people who is our system member, they will not come here because they cannot buy there. Those people who doesn't understand what we take from here. Those people who doesn't understand that there is cashback. You know, they're not really well oriented. So that's not good. So our product is 80% Ganoderma. You know that DXN product is 80% of the DXN product has a Ganoderma, right?
Yes.
Guys, you have to answer because What is the Ganoderma helps functioning to our body or to our cells? It's strengthening the immune system, body's resistance. Of course, kahit maraming disease, during pandemic, guys, a lot of having, COVID. But I'm very strong for that because of my moringa juice and mushroom powder. I never get sick, alhamdulillah. Thanks God. Helps the body to fight, cleanse something if even black coffee, even black coffee it really helps you immediately. Sometimes I have headache because of the heat, the sun. I just drink black coffee and I will sweat and the pain is gone because black coffee has 2% of Ganoderma. Our coffee, actually all the coffee except the cordyceps coffee has a 2% of Ganoderma. That's why it helps a lot. So improves blood circulation. And I have a friend, we traveled to Abu Dhabi together. She's a woman, and then she has a high blood pressure. During traveling in Abu Dhabi, we have an event to attend. She has so much pain, and in my back I have black coffee, and I mix it in the water because there is no hot water, and I let her drink, and she said that's why she became my downlines. And she's a nurse, and she said, "Oh, that coffee is a magic." Oh yes, it is really a magic and it is a miracle. And now she is our member. She's a nurse. So slowly, when sometimes you have an event or you have an accident, that product of Dexin can help immediately. And in my bag, I have always a product. It's either TT cream, toothpaste. I always have because if in the train. The chaos is there, too many people, and some people like get busy. I just rub in my hands the DT cream. It's really helped the person. I help a lot during my travel. So these are the certification that I will not explain to you more because we know, and there is in a frame. We have a lot. So when you want to copy, when you want to copy in my slide, I already have in here, keep in this. So now I have to go back first, sorry, because I pressed too much. So why? What toxic that we have to eat every day? Junk foods. That is external toxic. The food that is we are eating from the restaurants. And even when we cook, because too much cooked is toxic, right?
Yes.
Should be like half-cooked vegetables or fruits. Then, the toxic that is internal. Of course, we need sugar in our body. We need fats in our body. We need salt in our body, acid in our body. We all need that. It's a natural part of our body. But, if it excess, and it is developing a disease. Right?
Yes.
So that's why people say, oh, I don't want to eat with salty stuff. No, it's wrong. You have to, but not too much. Remember, too much things in your body is dangerous. It will develop. It's like too much love will kill you.
Yeah.
So like that. So it makes you body in balance. That's more sugar, more like more. But do not avoid because we need it in our body. All right. Are you learning?
Yes.
So what are the toxins? Yeah. We in Dubai we cannot see those toxins from the air because they are filterized, but we can feel it inside our body, right? Yes. And the food, of course, the food now is very. Sometimes when you go to supermarket, you cannot smell the jackfruit. You know.
Yeah.
You know when you go to, you understand what is jackfruit?
Yes.
That smell very strong, no? But nowadays there's no smell. Meaning it's become yellow for something, not because of natural. Before when you go to supermarket, you can smell apple smell, right?
Yes.
You can apple like that. But today, no. It's look very fresh outside, but when you cut it, it's black because of wax. So it means even you are vegetarian, you are still not safe, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's reality. Water, we are social because you are using bottled water, but we do know that there's a poison in it, right? The bottle plastic, when you put it under the sun, the heat of the sun, there is some melamine plastic that goes to water. So that is also will become chemical, and we are accumulated every single day while we are drinking. Do you know that?
Yes.
But you have no choice, right? We don't have choice. That's why we have choice to use our cleansing power, Ganoderma, right?
Yes.
This amazing product in DXN, and no one can up on this because this is a king of herbs. Congrats. Of course, the radiation, we cannot avoid. The cell phone now, like this.
Yes.
Everyone is on my radiation now because everyone isn't having video. So we cannot. Especially when you are riding in the cars or any transportation. The more the rides, the more the traveling is very fast, the radiation who is catching you is very strong also. Yeah? So, for example, your cell phone is in your pocket in here or in there. The radiation is killing the cells in this part or in this part. That is like you are a chemo killing the good cells and the bad cells, because that radiation will not tell, oh, this is a good cells, oh, this is a bad cell. No, they will kill all the cells, whatever that kind of cells. That's why radiation is very dangerous, especially you are in AirPod, head. It is very bad in our brain. Have you noticed if you were using your AirPod or head what do you call this? You can get
Headphone.
the head ache after.
Headache.
Yeah? Because of the radiation. That's radiation. So of course, pesticide. We eat vegetables, but we don't know what pesticide is on it. Fertilizer is not good also. Canned goods. So are you eating these products? Oh, yummy. Masala. Oh, we want big chicken. But there is an injection, right? So we want red potato. Have you noticed? Very red, but very hard, right?
Yes.
And the taste is not really good, right? Because the real tomato, try to plant the tomato in your pot, and then compare it to in the supermarket. The taste that the natural way is different. It's really a tomato, but in the very very yellow or orange or red, but the taste is not, and the hardness is not. Okay, so because of the artificial. Before we have that deep well water, so they will dig under the ground and taste if it is good water, and it is good. But now this is bottled, so all air pollution is there and everything. So radiation and everything is very common nowadays. Everyone is. So now we will go to the Ganoderma. So Ganoderma has 38,000 varieties of mushroom known. 200,000 varieties are edible, meaning you can eat, that you can find in supermarket, vegetables and everything. But 200 has medicinal value. That 200, Dr. Dato Lim Sargent specified, and more studies out of 200, and he got that 6 spices of red mushroom are rich in medicinal and therapeutic value. That's the variety here in DXN. That's why we're lucky that Dr. Dato Lim Sargent made us a very fantastic product made of 6 species of red mushroom to combine. That's why we earned this king of herbs. So all of this combined together to make DXN Renso products. So imagine you guys. So now, why red mushroom or reishi mushroom in Japan, or lenji mushroom in Japan, and reishi in China? Reishi is a life, right? In China and in Korea, and Yangshi in India. Raja Reishi in botanist give us Raja Reishi botanist give as Ganoderma lucidum. So the Ganoderma actually is a shiny part of the if you can see that in the frame. I have that in my house, the real one. I got it in Malaysia, but I am not really bringing every time. So why this product can cleanse us? Because there is a polysaccharides that is for cleanser. That's why when you taste this one, there's a bitter taste. That